Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing power and preparing to force a restart. This fixes most freezes without data loss. Plug the phone in if battery is low, because unstable power can block a clean reboot. Once done, press the device-specific button combo. Android typically power plus volume down. iPhone uses power with a volume press sequence. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds until you see a logo or feel a vibration. This forces the system to terminate stuck processes and reboot cleanly. If the restart didn't help, boot into safe mode to identify whether a third-party app causes the freeze. Safe mode disables extra apps so the system runs minimal services. Once in safe mode, uninstall the most recent apps or updates that coincide with the problem, because misbehaving apps often hog CPU or leak memory. Also clear the cache or app storage for the suspect app and make sure you have at least 10% free space, since low storage can repeatedly trigger freezes. If freezes persist after app removal, back up your photos, contacts, and documents to cloud or PC. This protects data before a factory reset. Then perform a factory reset through settings, or, if the UI is frozen, via the recovery menu. This restores original system files and removes deep software corruption. Once completed, reinstall only trusted apps and monitor performance. If the phone still freezes, test hardware like battery health and touch responsiveness. If uncertain, take it to an authorized repair center to avoid voiding warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.